So the Maverick read this report recently where this British female hockey player named Sam Quek is complaining about being referred to as attractive and sexy despite being obviously attractive and sexy. According to Quek, she resents being identified and characterized by her attractive looks. And yo, we hear women with this foolishness all the time. They are stunningly attractive like Sam Quek, which is the first thing about them that you see, but they don't want to be recognized by that first impression. They say they are being sexualized and objectified. Sam Quek, for example, says people should talk about the fact that she has a degree and not necessarily about her looks. The challenge people like Sam Quek is facing, though, is that the human eyes tend to lead the rest of our senses, and upon seeing a person, you have what is called an initial impression. You might be tall, or you might be short, or you're white, or you're black, or you're pretty, or you're cute, or you're ugly, or none of the above. But seriously, what Sam Quek is complaining about is akin to the sky being blue and the sun shining. But if I pass along, I must ignore the sunshine and the blue skies and say it might rain tomorrow or tonight. Or run into a fluffy lady on the streets weigh 350 or 400 pounds. Her fatness must not be mentioned. We must talk about our shoes and our hair and our fingernails. And now people go vexed with this one. But let us say we see a black man in the streets and we call him Black or Shine. Don't call him Black or Shine. We must call him Snow White.